Hi, good morning, friends. It has been a long time since we have met. Welcome to Excel Tips and Tutorial once again. So today, we'll be learning how to create a pie chart using MS Excel. So before that, let's have some data with us. I'm creating some dummy data here. Let's say month, uh, quantity. Okay. So from Jan, Feb. So I'm just auto filling the remaining columns. Sorry. Okay. So here we can fill some data like 10, 12, 18, 11, 22. So we'll be just filling it here. Okay. Yeah. So for this data we are going to create a pie chart. So let's see how we can create a pie chart using this data. So first select the range of cells and columns that you want to create the pie chart for, and after that go to insert. Yeah, here you can see different types of charts that can be created using MS Excel. So if you go here you can see the pie chart. It's also called as Doughnut Chart. So click on that. So here you can select which type of pie chart you need to have. Like you can have 2D pie chart, 3D pie chart, or donut pie chart. So here we will be starting with 2D pie chart. Okay, click on that. Yes. So when we click on that, we have the pie chart ready with us. We have quantity over here, and the months are given in different colors. Like you can see, blue one is for January, orange one is for February. So you can also add data labels over here if you want to get a clear picture about that. Okay, so that's it. You can see the actual numbers for different months based on the colors. So this is the first one, 2D pie chart. So we'll be going with the next one. Just remove it, insert pie chart. We'll go with the 3D pie chart. Yeah, it looks more better, looks very beautiful than the 2D pie chart. You can also add data labels over here, so it looks more professional. So, and the final one is the donut pie chart. So again you go there, insert, click on donut pie chart. Yeah, this is the donut pie chart. Here also you can add data labels. Click on data labels. Yeah, that's here. If you want to increase the size, you can just drag the chart area. So that's it. So that's all about the basics of creating pie charts using MS Excel. I hope that you have understood it, and you can use it while doing presentations and other reporting activities in your career. So hope that uh, today's session has been interesting for you and useful for you. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and enable the bell icon, and also don't forget to like and share this video. So till I come with my next video, stay tuned and bye bye.